Most repair shops won't even work on your classic car. But we care for these very special machines every single day. The truth is that classic cars present challenges requiring skills that are no longer common knowledge to most technicians. Chain repair and tire shops don't have the time it takes to diagnose, research, and properly repair a vintage car or truck. But at the V8 Speed and Resto shop, we only work on specialty cars and trucks to renew and restore original equipment or upgrade them with modern drivelines and performance enhancements for new levels of enjoyment and safety. From simple carburetor tuning and maintenance to complete custom builds, the V8 team of dedicated professionals has the experience, tools, and knowledge to make your classic car or truck safer, faster, and much more fun to drive. We're making appointments now. Reach us at v8speedshop.com today to set up proper care for your prized classic. When the chain repair shops turn you away, you can always turn to V8 Speed and Resto. From simple repairs to complete restorations, we're happy to get you back behind the wheel and enjoying your classic once again. See you here.